Hello, this is Tacy from Lethbridge Volkswagen. So last week we had a little post that made mention of nostalgia, perfectly timed for this beauty that we just got in. It is a 1990 Golf Cabriolet, and it seriously is like mint. Perfect little 5-speed, got your tape deck so you can totally take the trip down memory lane. Locking gas cap to keep your gas where it belongs. Relatively newer Tiger Pod tires for all weather, or that has you covered all around. The top is super clean. Just the whole car itself is clean. Has the original manual for the repairs and everything. The leather is amazing. Everything about this just brings back memories. 104, 482 for the kilometers. It's sweet. Come in, take a look. Look forward to showing you around this piece of awesomeness.